Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you how you send your WhatsApp detail in QR code format. Means if you want to send your WhatsApp detail in QR code format, how will you do that? So if you are new to the channel and if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just coming to quickly to the topic, just go to the WhatsApp, tap on the plus button here. Here new contact is coming, tap here, scan code. Here you can scan any WhatsApp code and you will see the details, means name and the number. Or if you want to send your code, just tap on the my code. So as soon as you will tap on the my code, this QR code, this is my QR code, and your QR code is private. If you share it with someone, they can scan it with their WhatsApp camera to add you as a contact. So this is how you will send your QR code. From there you can take screenshot and send it to anybody. So this is how you will send your QR code WhatsApp contact detail to somebody for adding your number into their contact detail. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.